Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 73, Presentment of cheque to charge any other person. Section 73 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 deals with the requirement of timely presentment of a cheque in order to hold persons other than the drawer liable. The provision emphasizes the importance of presenting a cheque within a reasonable time after its delivery so that secondary parties connected with the cheque are not unfairly prejudiced by delay. 1. Applicability of the provision. This section specifically applies to cheques and concerns the liability of persons other than the drawer, including inducers and other parties secondarily liable on the cheque. It covers persons whose liability depends upon proper and timely presentment, and distinguishes their liability from that of the drawer, which is separately addressed under the Act. 2. Requirement of presentment within reasonable time. This section provides that a cheque must be presented within a reasonable time after delivery by the person whose liability is sought to be enforced. It means that the holder must present the cheque to the drawee bank without undue delay once it has been delivered by such person. The concept of reasonable time depends upon the circumstances of each case, including the nature of the cheque, the distance between parties, the usual course of banking business, methods of communication and transmission, and prevailing commercial practices. 3. Purpose of prompt presentment. Prompt presentment is important because the financial position of the drawer or other liable parties may change over time. If the holder delays presenting the cheque, the funds in the account may be withdrawn, the account may be closed, or the bank may become insolvent. Such delay may also adversely affect the rights of secondary parties, and therefore the law imposes a duty on the holder to act diligently. 4. Liability of persons other than drawer. The section specifically states that timely presentment is necessary to charge persons other than the drawer. This means that if the holder fails to present the cheque within a reasonable time, secondary parties may be discharged from liability to the extent they suffer prejudice due to the delay. Such parties are entitled to expect that the cheque will be promptly presented in the ordinary course of business. 5. Relationship with the drawer's liability. While Section 72 deals with presentment required to charge the drawer, Section 73 extends the same principle to other parties liable on the cheque. Together, these provisions ensure prompt presentment of cheques, protect all parties from unnecessary loss caused by delay, and maintain commercial certainty. 6. Consequences of delay. If the holder negligently delays presentment, secondary parties may be discharged from liability and the holder may lose the right to recover from certain parties. Such delay may also amount to failure to comply with statutory requirements, and therefore timely presentment is essential for preserving rights under the cheque. 7. Commercial significance. Section 73 is important for ensuring efficiency and reliability in cheque transactions by encouraging prompt banking practices, protecting parties from losses caused by delay, and promoting certainty in commercial dealings. It also reinforces the duty of diligence on holders of cheques and contributes to the smooth functioning of the banking system and negotiable instrument transactions. For more details, contact us.